Let's install your Nest Doorbell, wired, step by step, making it easy to add reliable smart security right to your front door, so you can always know who's there. Turn off the power at the breaker to ensure safety. Check your existing doorbell wiring and chime to confirm they are compatible with the Nest Doorbell. Gather the necessary tools like a drill, screwdriver, wall anchors, and a level before starting the installation. Attach the wall plate where your old doorbell was, using the provided screws and anchors if needed. Connect the two wires from your old doorbell to the terminals on the Nest Doorbell. Once the wiring is secure, snap the doorbell onto the wall plate. Make sure the doorbell is firmly locked in place and level for proper operation. Turn the power back on from the breaker. Use the Google Home app to connect the doorbell to Wi-Fi, adjust video and notification settings, and test the chime. Finally, check the live video feed to confirm your doorbell is working properly. That's all it takes to install your Nest Doorbell, wired. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more easy setup tutorials. See you in the next one.